Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the H7 deep beam bulb, remove the body side cover by removing the metal clip and rotating it backwards. Give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the cover back on. To change the full beam, side light and turn indicator light bulbs, remove the grille side cover. To replace the turn indicator light bulbs, rotate them a quarter turn anti-clockwise by grasping the black base, then remove the assembly. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the side lights, stay in the same compartment. Grab the brown power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one in the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. To change the H1 full beam bulb, take the terminal cable and pull on it. To remove the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.